All right, real briefly, some popcorn. So I just got this today, so I just made this big, huge pot. I don't know what size pot it is, but it's big. So as you can tell, this is brand new as of a few minutes ago. I barely used any, just enough to coat the bottom, and it made all of that, right? Okay, so what is the big deal about popcorn? Well, get some non-GMO organic ones in a #1 recycling container. And instead of using butter or fake kind of butter or anything like that, use coconut oil. Get yourself a good one, a good brand that you know that tastes buttery. Because to me, coconut oil, a lot of them have a naturally butter flavor to begin with, and you can't even tell the difference between. I used to love popcorn and slaughter it with butter, baked potatoes, butter. You don't need that. Like once I became a vegan, even before I was a vegan, I got onto coconut oil instead of always using olive oil and stuff. And I noticed it's buttery flavor. So when I wanted something buttery as a dish, I would cook it in that instead. And I started using it on like a potato or popcorn. It's just awesome. So you get one like this that's ethically sourced. This is regenerated farming, stuff like that. #1 recycled container. And I don't know if this will come in and you can see that. There you go. There's all the stuff that says about the farming and everything like that. There's like, cold pressed and virgin and all that, whatever you want. But just get one that tastes like butter, because it does. And since it's summertime, I keep it in my cabinet. It goes into a liquid already. So you just drizzle that all on like butter to your taste and your liking. I'm just going to add a little salt and pepper. And then I got a whole bunch of fresh parsley, huge parsley growing in my garden, so I'm finding different ways to use it. Last night I made mashed potatoes for the first time in forever, and did something with the oil and then this parsley. So I'm going to put parsley all over it, fresh parsley, which I've done before. It's another good thing. Parsley has some benefits to it, so you can do it like that. So the parsley and the coconut oil over butter and or fake kind of buttery cheese type stuff like that. I don't have it with me right now, but I do have a Parmesan vegan shaker cheese that's really good too. That could go good on it too instead of using the normal things. All right, so just a little quick video. If you never thought about using parsley or coconut oil, now you do. It's really awesome. You'll never know the difference in butter or not butter. All right, lots of love to you. Bye-bye.